Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Google Maps view in your Android phone. So at first open up your Google Maps. Now from here, if you want to change your Google Maps view, just tap on this icon and here it is. From here you can customize and change your Google Maps view. On the map type option, you can see three options: default, satellite and terrain. On the other hand, on the map details option, you can see 7 options: public transport, traffic, cycling, 3D, street view, wildfires and air quality. Now from here you can choose any option as you want. If you want to see your traffic view on the map, just select traffic from here. Then just close the window and it's done. Now you can check your real-time traffic on the map view. Also, if you want to see satellite view, just tap here again and then select satellite from here. Then just close the window and it's done. Now you can see real-time satellite view on the maps. And that is how you can change Google Maps view in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.